Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix Steam not opening or launching on Windows 11. And for this, first of all, what you need to do is go to Task Manager, click on Task Manager, and right now we search here for Steam and make sure that you delete every single task of Steam. Then we click this away and we go to the search bar and we type in run, do enter, and then fill in percentage local app data percentage and then do OK. Then right now we go down and we search for the Steam map right here. We delete this. Right now we click this away and right now start up your Steam and probably it will work. If it's still not working, then what you need to do is go to Task Manager again. Search here for Steam. Delete every single task from Steam. Click on the cross and then from now we go here to our files. Then go to this PC, go to Program Files, x86, click on Steam, and then right now what you need to do is do Ctrl A, deselect App Cache and deselect the Steam application or the download, and now do delete. Right now he's removing a lot, but after this, if you start up your Steam, it will probably work. So right now we click this away, we search here for Steam, we do enter. First he needs to update. Alright, and right now after the update, Steam is popping up just right here and we can log in what we want. So this is exactly what you need to do. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.